In this video we are making a low polygon tree to scatter around our previous model of an editable neighborhood. So to start with, you need to already have two versions of the same image, a JPEG of a color tree and a JPEG of the same tree in alpha, which you can do on Photoshop or you can download from the internet. Then go into 3D Max and draw a line that's going to be the diameter of your tree. Then under Modifier, choose Spline, select your line and rotate it, holding Shift on the X-axis. So you should be left with a cross. Then select both those lines and extrude them to the height of your tree. So I'm using 30 meters, but you can use whatever height you like. Then open the material editor and make sure that it's just compact material editor selected and that propagate materials to instances is unticked. Then open maps, select one of your blank materials, and diffuse color, you want to set that to bitmap and choose your color tree. Then go back to parent, and opacity, you want to use a bitmap again but your alpha tree. Then go back to your parent again, shrink the maps and open extended parameters. You're going to change the fall off to out of 100. Now this should hopefully make it less obvious that we're just using two intersecting planes for our tree. Okay, so then select your material, drag it across or assign material to selection, and then you want to show this shaded material in the viewport. And there you go. There is our tree. So if we return to our original model, and we've drawn a plane next to it where we want to scatter our trees, we can then select this plane and apply a noise modifier. Making sure it's got a lot of segments first, then you turn up the Z volume, and then you get a more of an uneven terrain. And then back into create under compound objects, you're going to select your tree and select scatter. Then pick your distribution object, which is your plane. And of course, that's not what we were after. We just have to change some of the settings. So scroll right down to the bottom and under display, hide the distribution object. There we go. And then come back up, uncheck perpendicular and increase your duplicates to however many trees you want. We're going to go with that. There we go. So now if you render it, you're going to see a whole scattering of trees. There you go.